Hey everyone, how is it going? Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can schedule a Zoom meeting, and this is actually very simple. Once you head over to Zoom, you'll see that there's two things. There's schedule here and there's also schedule here. If I click on this one, it says schedule meeting. You can give whatever name, let's say gossip or whatever it is, right? Recruitment, so just name what is the topic of your meeting and then what time do you want this to be? October, November, December, whenever you want it. Let's say we want December 18. What is the time? And as you can see, the time zone right now is set to my time zone. But if you want, let's say you are in Paris, right? And you can see that these are the time zones. So let's say this. And then as you can see, this is set to this many time, 40 minutes if you are on the basic plan. And then you can add emails of whoever is your attendees, right? You can add them and they will automatically get an email. If you don't, then all good, you can just send them the link, and then from here you can choose video of host on or off, participant on or off, audio, which one, and then calendar. And then as you can see under advanced options, there's other options. But if I click on save, then it's gonna load into my Google Calendar and then schedule the meeting. And this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.